When setting up emails on your work device, it is important to use the Microsoft Outlook desktop app rather than the default Windows Mail app, as this provides much more functionality and a smoother working experience. If Outlook Desktop is not pinned to your taskbar, this can be found by searching for Outlook in the Start menu. Once opened, this can be pinned to your taskbar by right-clicking and selecting Pin. Note this can be done with any frequently used apps for ease of access. If you initially set up the Mail app, you may notice that when receiving emails or prompts for meetings, that you are getting double notifications. If this is the case, we would recommend removing the account from the default Mail app. This can be done by opening the Mail app via the Start menu, navigating to Settings via the cog icon, then selecting Manage Accounts. Select the account listed, then delete account from this device. Once complete, close the app and unpin if still on the taskbar. When launching Outlook Desktop, this will prompt for you to sign in. Enter your full email address, followed by your password, and then your MFA. Once complete, your personal mailbox, along with any additional mailboxes you have access to, will be displayed. Outlook can also be accessed via the web. This can be helpful when working from home or on a mobile device if you don't already have the Outlook mobile app. Open a web browser and visit office.com, then sign in using your Microsoft credentials, followed again by your MFA. Once signed in, along the left-hand side of the page you will find Outlook. Select this and it will launch Outlook on the web. Returning to Outlook Desktop now, we can add an additional account by selecting File, then Add Account. When prompted, enter the email address, then connect. From the advanced setup, you will need to select Office 365. This will then proceed with setup, prompting for your password and MFA associated. This could be helpful in situations where you need to add a branch email, for example.